Hello everyone, welcome to this learning conversation. Today, we will talk slowly, clearly, and with emotion.
Yes, today's topic is beautiful. We will talk about happiness. What makes us happy at different moments in life.
So, relax, breathe slowly, and listen to each sentence carefully.
When I was a child, happiness felt simple. I was happy when I played outside with my friends.
Yes, childhood happiness is pure. I remember feeling happy when I had ice cream, or when my mom hugged me.
Sometimes happiness was just running in the rain, laughing, and not thinking about tomorrow.
Exactly. As children, we did not worry, we lived in the moment. Every small thing felt magical.
Do you still miss that happiness?
Sometimes, yes, but I also believe happiness grows as we grow.
When I became a teenager, happiness changed. It was not only games or toys, it was friendship, dreams, and freedom.
Yes, as teenagers, we feel excited, we explore new things, music, fashion, hobbies, ideas.
Sometimes happiness came from being accepted, being understood.
And sometimes, from learning who we are.
But teenage happiness is also sensitive. We feel emotions more deeply.
True, one beautiful text message can make us happy all day, and one small fight can make us sad.
Now, as young adults, our happiness feels different.
Yes, now happiness comes from purpose, career, goals, and meaningful relationships.
We feel happy when we achieve something. Maybe we get a job, learn a new skill, or improve ourselves.
And happiness also comes when we feel independent, when we make decisions for ourselves.
But sometimes, young adult life is stressful, so happiness becomes moments of peace.
Like reading a book, listening to calm music, or having a warm cup of tea. Sometimes, life becomes hard, we face problems, we feel tired, we feel lost.
Yes, but even during difficult times, happiness is possible. It becomes quiet, soft, simple.
Happiness may come from support from family, or encouragement from a friend, or from believing that things will get better.
Sometimes happiness is simply hope.
Yes, hope is powerful. Hope says, this is not the end, better days will come.
What do you think future happiness looks like?
I think future happiness comes from balance, work, rest, love, health, and peace.
Yes, not too fast, not too slow, just a peaceful life.
Future happiness also means loving ourselves, understanding ourselves, and accepting who we are.
And enjoying the moments right now, not waiting for tomorrow to be happy.
So Arjun, what is happiness to you?
Happiness is feeling thankful. Happiness is kindness. Happiness is loving life, even when it is not perfect.
Beautiful answer. For me, happiness means connection, growth, peace, and learning. Arjun, do you ever think about happiness and how it changes in life?
Yes, Maya, I think about it sometimes. When I was a child, happiness was simple. A toy, a chocolate, a cartoon. Those small things made me so happy.
I feel the same. When I was young, I felt happy when I played with friends, or when someone told me a story. Life felt light and full of laughter.
But now, happiness feels different. Now it comes from learning, achieving goals, and spending time with people I care about.
Yes, happiness becomes deeper as we grow. It becomes less about things, and more about moments, real moments.
Maya, tell me, what makes you happy now?
I feel happy when I take care of myself, when I read a good book, when I go on a walk, when I learn something new. I also feel happy when someone understands me.
That is beautiful. I feel happy when I help someone, even if the help is small, a smile, a kind word, or support when someone feels sad.
That is true happiness, the happiness we give, not just the happiness we receive.
Yes, and I also learned something important. Sometimes, it is okay not to feel happy, because sadness or stress are also part of life.
You are right. Happiness is not constant. It comes and goes, just like morning and night, just like rain and sunshine.
But when happiness returns, it feels special, because we waited for it.
Yes, and sometimes, we don't even realize a moment is happy, until it becomes a memory.
That is true. Some memories make us smile, even years later.
So Arjun, do you think happiness is planned, or does it come naturally?
I think both. Sometimes we create happiness by choosing kindness, gratitude, and patience. But sometimes happiness surprises us, like a gift.
Yes, like when someone compliments us, or when unexpected good news comes.
Or when we realize we are growing as a person.
Arjun, I feel happy talking to you, because conversations like this make life meaningful.
I feel the same, Maya. Sometimes a simple conversation brings peace and warmth to the heart.
Maybe happiness is not something we chase. Maybe happiness is something we notice.
Yes, we just need to slow down and see it.
Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope today's lesson helped you learn something new and exciting in English. Remember, practice every day, speak confidently, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we grow. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button.